Look at the squirrel run. Look at the bird fly. Baby squirrely and the birdie run, fly. Is it there?
Did you get it? Now wait till bird, don't move, and the birds will come right here, and I want you to take a picture of them goldfinches. They're black and white on it. They have them black and white stripes, but you got to stand real still. They're going to come right here, Jenna. Don't use it yet. Don't. It's not on.
It's on.
Wait. Here they start coming. Don't move. Get the green and white ones. They're starting to turn green. They're going to be yellow in the summertime, but they're starting to turn from brown to green. They're getting green now. That's the American goldfinch. Just don't move your head, because they'll scare them. They won't come.
What? Where's my shorts? What time are you going to 9 o'clock?
Don't move. See, don't move your hand. They see that.
Right now, do I go?
See, look at those jeans.
Can we look at the dog?
I don't think there will be any more.
You want me to do it, huh?
Yeah.
Now what do you do?
Just,
There's nothing on there now, right?
no.
Now when a bird comes, what do I do?
It's already on.
Huh?
It's already on video.
Well, this is when I used to always buy
Where's video?
grass.
It's on video.
$5.
But I don't want it on now. I'm gonna wait till